Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 quantitative aptitude section. So the question that we'll be dealing with is question number 39. So let's take a look. LCM of x square minus 4 and x square plus x minus 6 is. So we are given two quadratic equation and we need to find the LCM. So let's take a look. We'll go one equation at a time. Okay. So we have x square minus 4. So we can write this as x square plus 2 and x square minus 2. Okay, because a plus b, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square form. Okay, that's what we do. Now we'll go with the second equation, x square plus x minus 6, which can be written as x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6, or x plus 3 minus 2 x plus 3 x minus 2 is 3. Okay, so we simply broke down both the equation. Now let's try and understand the concept. Let me take an example of a number. Suppose I have a number, say ax, and I have another number, say bx. Okay, where x is the common part in both these numbers and x will simply be their HCF. Okay, so in this regard LCM can be written as abx. Okay, that is the common part will only, or the HCF will only come one time. So we'll use the similar concept here. Okay, here if we see x, sorry, we want x square here. Okay, so here if we see x minus 2, this x minus 2 here, and this x minus 2 is the common part. So this x minus 2 will come once, then we'll have this a part. So a part, let this be the a part, that is x plus 2, and we have the b part. Okay, so this be the b part, x plus 3. So x minus 2. Okay, hang on. A plus b, a minus b. So this we can write a square minus b square, that is x square minus 4 into x plus 3. Okay, so if we simplify, x cube plus 3x square, x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 12, which is our answer. Okay, option 1. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. We'll continue discussion on this paper in the subsequent videos where we'll cover more questions. So until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.